Hi. Now we will be discussing the L239D motor driver. So here we have a power connector. There we will connect our battery. And for each motor, this thing can connect and power two motors. For each motor, we have two inputs and two outputs. The inputs are connected to PWM pins of the Arduino board. The outputs are connected to the motor, to which I have attached a wheel here. So the corresponding input over here to the corresponding output and power. Fine. This is the L239D IC, to which a lot of other things have been added, like resistors and capacitors and stuff. So let's just see the code first. There's nothing in setup. In loop, I have analog write 10, 255, analog write 11, 0. So I'm working with pins 10 and 11. It is vital that you work with PWM pins, right? Digital pins capable of PWM output. So analog write 10, 255, analog write 11, 0, delay 2000. Then 10, 50, 11, 0, delay 2000. 10, 0, 11, 255, delay 2000. 11, 50, 10, 0, delay 2000. So we are setting the pin 10 side of the story as high and then low, while keeping 11 at 0. Then we are setting pin 11 to high, then low, while keeping 10 at 0, with delays of 2000 in between. So let's have a look at how that works. So connect these two wires to 10 and 11. Doesn't matter which order you do it in. Doesn't matter which one goes to 10, which one goes to 11. Just stick to one thing once you make the connections. That's what's most important. Connect the battery. And let's be ready and put in that last pin. So the higher the difference between the levels of the two input pins, the higher the RPM. So at this, it is spinning fast. It is rotating at a higher RPM. And at this, it is rotating at a lower RPM. And then when we do this, it is rotating at a high RPM again, but in the opposite direction. and in that same reversed direction it is spinning at a lower RPM. So the assignment for this video is to use the 2 motors, 2 wheels and 1 nose wheel in the chassis provided and create a small robot which can just move in a straight line. So we will use this robot later on to make our line follower and our wall follower and our Bluetooth controlled robot.